Well, we've got a strange noise some of you are familiar with. Under the van, under the front edge here, see how that harmonic balancer moves? It shouldn't do that. So we're going to have to pry that off of there. Yeah, that's definitely bad. It should not do that. Looks like we got a little bit of a lip out here at the front edge though, so it's not going to come off easy. Have to take the belt off. Let's get some tools. So we need a couple basic tools, a breaker bar with a 17 millimeter and a couple of pry tools. And this really is one of those situations where the bigger the better, as long as you're not getting anything over about an 18-inch handle is going to get cumbersome to work with under there. So your tensioner is mounted to the front of the engine, and it has this little guy right here. You want to get your 17 millimeter socket on that, and we'll look at that from underneath in a minute. If you're in a pinch and you don't have a 17 millimeter socket, 11/16 is the English close enough. It will fit. So let's crawl underneath and take the belt off first. That little knob on the tensioner is right there. So we're gonna get on that, and I'm on the wrong side of that hose. That's no good. All right. Put it on there like so, then swing it toward the left side until it stops, and slide that belt off of there, off the air conditioner. Let it back out nice and slow. Don't hit yourself in the tooth. If we don't take this off before we drive on too far and that ring decides to exit itself, it will come forward a little bit and get trapped between the belt and the pulley here and mess up all kinds of things. It hyperextends the tensioner, can break the belt. It can even bend the crankshaft apparently. So get this taken care of as soon as you can, and wait for the part to come in later to replace it and put a new one on. We're just going to take the danger out of it for now. So with the belt off, I'm going to get a little pry tool in here and work that guy forward. There we go. Some people are saying it interferes with that pulley up top on the, let's see, what is that? The water pump pulley. I don't ever seem to have that trouble. I don't know why. But that ring comes right out, and we're going to chuck it. That is a busted harmonic balancer. Now with that out, we've got to put the belt back on. We barely moved it here, so we'll keep it off the air conditioner for the moment and get it back on the harmonic balancer. Like so. Let's see. Where are we here? Make sure we're in front of the belt. And get the socket back on there. There it is. Wind up the tensioner and pull the belt down. Get that back on there. There we go. And the belt's back on. Everything looks good. No more clicking and squeaking. We don't have to worry about it wrecking something. It's safe to drive like this until we get the replacement part ordered and put on.